In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create character references in Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, head to the Leonardo AI dashboard and open the Image Generation tab. This is where you'll set up everything for your character reference sheet. For the base model, choose Leonardo Phoenix, since it offers strong prompt accuracy and tends to follow detailed instructions more reliably. Next, change your aspect ratio to 16:9 or 21:9. A wider frame gives the AI enough horizontal space to place multiple character poses or views in a single image, which is exactly what you want for a clean reference sheet. Before writing your prompt, make sure Prompt Magic or Auto Refine is turned off. Disabling those options helps keep the image simple and prevents the background from becoming overly detailed, which makes your reference easier to use later. Now let's build the prompt in the right order. Start with formatting keywords first. Begin with character concept design sheet, model turnaround view, front view, side view, back view, full body shot. This tells Leonardo the layout and presentation style you want before you describe the character itself. After that, add your subject description. This is where you clearly explain the character's age, appearance, clothing, and expression. Keep it specific so the design comes out consistently. Then finish your prompt with the isolation instructions. Isolate it on a solid, flat, light gray background, uniform studio lighting, no shadows, 8K resolution. This final part helps create a clean, usable image with minimal distractions. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate and review the results carefully. Choose the cleanest image, especially the one with the most consistent character details across all angles. Download that image to your desktop. Then, using any basic photo editing software, crop out the individual angles, like the front view or side view, and save them as separate files. Once those cropped images are ready, you can upload them into Leonardo's character reference tool to keep your character design consistent across future scenes.